Reaching 3 million a month wasn't due to cleverness or connections. It took time and genuine strategies. I'll share transformative lessons, mindset changes, systems, and strategies vital for your business, brand, or product. Lesson 1. Hustling alone can't scale. I tried doing everything by myself. Marketing, sales, support, content, tech, operations. Hard work isn't enough. I learned to shift from how can I work more to how can this function without me. That change led to the creation of processes, templates, automations, and repeatable workflows. Growth became predictable. Lesson 2. Revenue follows clarity. My messaging used to be chaotic, offering everything from coaching to consulting. Confusing customers don't buy. Simplifying my offer accelerated progress with one target audience, one main challenge, and one clear solution. Lesson 3. Marketing is about trust. Marketing isn't about being everywhere. It's about building trust. I focused on education, transparency, and consistency. When people trust you, selling becomes easier. Lesson 4. Data triumphs over emotion. Early decisions were emotion-led and mostly failed. Progress began when I relied on data, conversion rates, and metrics. With data-driven decisions, profits stabilized. Lesson 5. One strong offer is better than many weak ones. Having too many products led to chaos. I decided to create one exceptional offer with superior content and support. Depth matters more than variety. Lesson 6. Your network influences speed. Navigating alone slowed my growth. Learning from successful individuals, true builders, tripled my progress. Isolation hinders, but community accelerates success. Lesson 7. Personal branding is an asset. Hiding behind products lacked impact. Sharing my journey transformed everything. Your narrative connects and creates opportunities. Use it. Lesson 8. Automation is essential. Reaching millions requires automation. Implement tech, email sequences, CRM systems, payment automation. Once automated, revenue didn't rely on my daily effort, bringing more freedom. Lesson 9. Cash flow reigns. Supreme social media growth looks nice, but cash flow sustains a business. I learned to focus on profit and sustainability. A smaller, profitable business is better than a large, unstable one. Lesson 10. Embrace long-term thinking. Shifting from short-term focus to planning for years changed my approach. Long-term thinking creates stability, reducing stress and building empires. The real truth of achieving 3 million monthly success isn't one big win. It's small, correct choices made consistently. Choose systems over hustle, clarity over confusion, trust over tricks, and depth over distraction. Final thoughts. If you're building, you're not failing. You're learning. Each error is a lesson. Every challenge is growth. Focus, build systems, serve, and think long-term. Your breakthrough will come from executing the right actions effectively.